Back at the thrift, and I found a Marc by Marc Jacobs faux leather wristlet piece in a Mira patent material. I saw online that it was going for about $25 to $35, and I got it for a steal at the thrift, so I decided to take it home. But in order to list it, I've got to restore her shine. If you get up close, you can see there's this like cloudy film or buildup to this material that can happen over time. So we're going to shine her up. Now, I can't use regular leather cleaners like these. They might clean the surface of the piece, but it won't take away that cloudy film. Leather CPR, it was the same deal. This is really better for absorbable leathers, and other traditional cleaners like these won't work to get that film off. And to show you what I mean, I just did a quick experiment with the Angelus foam cleaner. You can see as I wipe it on, it seems to work right away and shine up this leather. But as I speed up the film here and it starts to dry again, you see that the film returns immediately again. We've still got that cloudy film. So that's just to demonstrate why those regular cleaners don't really do the job. Enter Easy Detailer. This is a leather and vinyl trim cleaner. I think originally designed for cars interiors, but it works on any vinyl plastic material that you can find out in the market. And I learned about this from a fellow rehabber and reseller. It's Hadrian. I'll put his handle on the screen there. You can see this foam. It's pretty thick. It's pretty dense. You want to rub it on with a microfiber cloth or rag, whatever you've got on hand there. I'm going to do the front half of this piece so you can see by comparison what I mean and how it works. So the product goes on, and what you want to do next is buff it with a dry cloth. It could be a microfiber cloth, or as I prefer, a cotton rag here. Keep buffing it in. You can reapply the product and then rebuff again with another dry cloth. And you can see in just a minute here, there's a major difference between the side I worked on and the side we didn't. We really got that weird cloudy film off of the exterior of the leather, which is what I wanted to get this listed. Here's the back of the product where I haven't worked on anything yet, just to show you again where we started and what that cloudy film looked like. And then here I am buffing it after using the product, completely restoring the shine to this Mira patent faux leather material. Now you can use any product that's formulated for plastic and vinyl to achieve this result. But if you are interested in using the Easy Detailer product that I have, you're going to have to go to their website. It's about $25, and it looks like they may have rebranded recently. So go ahead and Google Easy Detailer leather and vinyl trim to find the product specifically that I'm using. I have used this product successfully on all types of plastics like PU, which is polyurethane, PVC, nylon bags, and of course patent finished natural leathers and leathers with any kind of PVC or plastic coated finish on the top. I've gone ahead and finished the entire piece, and here's our final result. It's completely free of that white cloudy film that we started off with, and we're getting a nice reflective shine off the material. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.